Hello everyone, welcome to Automation Community. In this session, we are going to see about differentiate up and differentiate down. So let's see what is that. So just go to the new PLC instruction, go to details and go for find instruction. In the sequence output, you can find differentiate up and differentiate down. So this is similar to rising edge and falling edge. So let's see what is the difference. The way of using is different. Okay, so in the rising edge, what we have done is, I'll just cancel that. So for the rising edge, we will be using the new contact and we were choosing this, right? So this is the rising edge, but differentiate up performs the same function as rising edge, but it will looks like a block. So here you can see differentiate up. Just click on that and give which coil you want to turn on. Okay, so I'm just choosing one of the output and I'm clicking enter. So now just connect these two, and for this, instead of this, I'm using a normal contact. Just click escape, delete, and add a normal contact. So 0.00, right? So now how to use this block? Now, if you turn on this 100.00 which you have mentioned in differentiate up, no, that will give one pulse. So the address you are using inside this differentiate up will give one pulse. So how to make use of that means just take one more contact and give the address as 100.0. So this output is nothing but now you can see once I have added the 100.00 as contact, you can see one extra vertical line over here which implies it is a rising edge. Fine. So I'll add one set coil here, set 100.01. Now I'm connecting. So let's go for the simulation. So whenever I'm pressing 0.00, it will it will give continuous pulse to this differentiate up, but differentiate up function acts like a rising edge. So it will give one single pulse to the output. So using that output, I'm going to set one more output. See, look at this. I'm going to turn on. So I'm turning on 0.00 only, but it is setting 100.01 through 100.00. So even if I turn off, nothing. It will remain on because I have used the set function. So this is similar to the rising edge, right? So we have one more block which is differentiate down. So I'll use one more input contact and I'm going to use differentiate down. Sequence output, in that we have a differentiate down. So which one you want to set in this? I'm going to use one more output here. Just connect and go for simulation mode. Okay, before entering into the simulation, I have to utilize this bit, no? So just get out from the simulation mode. Now we'll add one contact and give the name as 100.02. Now I'll add one coil. Let's take one more set alarm or reset you can do. Set you have done for 100.01, no? So we'll reset that. Reset 100.01. Connect. So see here, this is differentiate up. So you can see one vertical line while it is going up. Here you can see the vertical line is shifted to the right side since it is used as differentiate down, which is nothing but like falling edge. So the falling edge will give one pulse. So let's see that. So I'm turning on. So it got set. I'm turning on 0.00. Continuously input will be coming. But this block will give one pulse to 100.00. Using that one pulse, I'm setting one more output here. Now we'll turn on this one. So while I'm turning on, nothing is happening to 100.02 because this is used inside differentiate down. So let's see, I'm going to turn off this. That time it is giving one single pulse to 100.02. With that pulse, I'm resetting the set coil. So I'll repeat. I'm turning on one input. Our output got set due to this differentiate up pulse. Just turn off this. Now, using this differentiate down, I'm going to reset this. So differentiate down is like when it will give pulse while on to off condition. So I'm turning on. Okay. So nothing is happening. Correct. So if you turn off, it will give one pulse. With that pulse, I'm going to reset. See, this is in on condition. No. Now I'm going to turn off. So it is making off. So reset happened. So this is differentiate up and differentiate down. This is similar to rising edge and falling edge, but rising edge and falling edge instruction will be like in contacts. This will be like a block. Using this address, you can use it as contact also. So that's it about differentiate up and differentiate down. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you really like this video, kindly like and subscribe our YouTube channel. I'll meet you in the next session. Thank you.